Good morning, friends. Here your friend Dr. Karn Pratap Singh, founder president of MITWS India. We start an online consultancy service and we start a program where you can speak the listening service of MITWS. We have tied up with many career and psychological consultant and motivational and spiritual guides. You can talk with us on an open channel. It is an absolutely free of charge service. In case you need to discuss your issue in a private session with an consultant, we are calling them social listeners. You can also send a request for it all at our WhatsApp group or directly to my email contact@mitws@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me 09457566259 or 08630583 This is a listening service. If you want an audio session, you can fix the time for an audio call. Our social listener will call you, and nowadays there are huge population all around us who are looking a psychological pressure, who are all feeling a little tense, and people want that they want to say something, but there is no one who can try to understand their things. So a huge population is there who feel depressed, confused or sad due to their economical, emotional or career barriers or hurdles. As a result of the emotional and psychological pressure, the number of suicidal cases increases, number of legal cases increases, and the life becomes much complex and tired. A huge amount of positive energy may lose in overthinking, in the state of depression and sadness. Always there is a hope, and we only need to see the life with a new perception. A variety of issues may be there, and every individual person has problems, and it requires personal attention and care. Every life is very important, and God sent us on earth for a specific and a very positive purpose. MITWS always looking on the problems in the society, and we tried how we can solve them, how we can help them, and what we can do for the best for our people. And whatever the way, whatever the method, try for it, and we are trying to give the best service we can do for the people of our country and people of our world. We are trying to make this world more sustainable, more valuable and more healthy. This listening service by MITWS is mixed in nature. Here you will find free as well as paid service of some of our valuable and important person who can work as a professional consultant. Some of them are Mrs. Madhumita Sharma, Mrs. Salini, Dr. P. Kumar, and there are some other person also who are associated with us, who are working as a volunteer. They will provide free social listening service on the platform of MITWS. If a person who are willing to be a social listener of MITWS, they are more than welcome. Maybe your little time may bring someone of our neighbor, of our locality, of our society, of our village from the deep depression, from the deep sadness, and we can bring them from the dark to the light phase of the life. You can directly talk me on my phone 86305 83793 if you willing to be a social listener of MITWS. We will put their profile on our website and put their expertise too. A person who want to speak to our social listener, they have an option to choose to which social listener they want to contact. It is also a optional that a social listener want to provide his or her service free or paid. We also indicate this on our website, and a normal person who want to avail our service can choose whatever he want. If he want a free service or he want a paid service, he choose from it. It is assured by MITWS that we tried our best for making your privacy intact, and in no case our consultant or social listener will disclose the issue which you are discussing with us at any time in the future. Hope this step of MITWS will be very positive step for releasing the mental and psychological pressure, and we will try to make you happy by seeing the positive perspective of the life. So I hope you will all feel free to avail this service of MITWS, and we are thinking that we can bring a healthy, happier and wealthy future for all of you. Good luck. My all best wishes to all the people who are associated with our listener, and I am very very thankful to all my social listeners and my professional consultant who are associated with us in this program. Thank you very much.